Hi beautiful ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back again with another very stylish and amazing collection. So in this video you are going to exploring more amazing ideas and most trending collection of crochet made top shirts and blouses design ideas for ladies and girls. So you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of trending crochet made top shirts and blouses. So must watch video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of crochet made top designs and blouse design ideas. You will be find out different and amazing ideas, amazing colors, amazing styles, amazing designs. You will be find out peplum styles. You will be find out short top designs, shirt style designs, cardigan designs, amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve designing ideas. All of these are most demanding and trending collection. So if you love to wear crochet made dresses, if you love to wear crochet made top designs, shirt designs or blouse designs, so these are the best and latest collection, latest ideas today I have collected for you in this video. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of crochet made top blouse designs. So must watch video till the end. If you are loving these designs and if you are loving these styles of crochet made top designs, blouse designs, so please dear ladies and girls do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made top designs, blouse designs, and which type of more collection you really want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so much share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content. I have already uploaded a huge collection of top shirts and blouses on my channel. So for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for exploring more amazing designs and more amazing fashion trends, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. You will be find out crochet made top shirt designs, blouses designs, crochet made dresses, crochet made cardigan designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas and a lot of new designs you will be find out on my channel. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs from those videos. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you.